Number 1. 1968 Ford F250 Ranger, 5000 Maple Valley, Washington. This 1968 Ford F250 Ranger is a strong example from the golden age of heavy-duty American pickups. Originally purchased new locally, it is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck runs well and retains its original patina, which is highly desirable among enthusiasts. Showing 72,000 miles, it offers solid mechanical fundamentals. While it needs new tires, recent fuel system work improves reliability, making it an excellent survivor for patina preservation or light restoration. Number 2. 1975 Dodge D200 Crew Cab Short Bed, $4,500, Kennewick, Washington. This rare 1975 Dodge D200 Crew Cab Short Bed is a standout Mopar truck. Four-door short bed examples were produced in very limited numbers, adding to its collectability. Powered by a strong 360 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives despite high mileage and visible rust. Features such as power steering and power brakes add practicality. This truck is a solid foundation for a rare Mopar restoration or preservation project. Number 3. 1975 Ford Courier, $4,000, Santa Cruz, California. The 1975 Ford Courier is a simple and efficient compact classic pickup. This example features a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and benefits from recent updates including a rebuilt carburetor, new clutch master cylinder, battery and suspension work. Although it carries a salvage title, it drives very well and is fully registered with title in hand. It is an affordable and mechanically sorted option for vintage compact truck enthusiasts. Number 4. 1980 International S1800 Dump Truck, $3,675, Cresswell, Oregon. This 1980 International S1800 dump truck reflects true working-class American truck history. Powered by a gasoline V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs, drives, stops, and operates the dump bed as intended. Showing 76,000 miles, it remains functional but does need additional work and does not have a title. It is best suited for farm, property, or utility use rather than a collector restoration. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet C20, $4,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1983 Chevrolet C20 square body is a desirable 3/4-ton pickup with classic styling. It is equipped with a later model fuel-injected 5.7-liter V8 installed by a previous owner paired with an automatic transmission. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, with good tires and a mostly straight body showing minor rust. Although the odometer is inoperative and the air conditioning does not work, it remains a solid driver and a good candidate for continued use or mild restoration. Number 6. 1968 Ford F600 grain truck, $2,500, Fort Morgan, Colorado. The 1968 Ford F600 is a heavy-duty farm truck built for serious work. It features a big block Ford FT engine, manual transmission, and a hydraulic dump grain bed. The truck is currently not running due to a missing radiator, but it appears complete and in good condition for its age. This makes it an ideal project for restoration or utility use, especially for collectors of vintage commercial trucks. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet V20 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive, $4,500, Yale, Oklahoma. This 1987 Chevrolet V20 is a rugged, long-bed 4-wheel drive pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. While the transmission is currently not functional, the truck has a clean title and strong appeal thanks to its heavy-duty components and classic square body design. It is best suited as a mechanical project with excellent potential once repaired. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet K20 Silverado 4-wheel drive, $6,800, Kennewick, Washington. This 1984 Chevrolet K20 Silverado is a well-maintained square body truck with partial restoration work completed. It is powered by a General Motors Goodwrench crate 350 cubic inch V8 with approximately 25,000 miles and runs strong. Features include 4-wheel drive, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, and dual exhaust. The refinished frame and ongoing restoration make this an excellent driver quality classic with solid long-term value. Number 9. 1986 Dodge W150 $7,500, Hill City, South Dakota. This 1986 Dodge W150 stands out for its rust-free body, which is uncommon for trucks of this era. Powered by a 5.8-liter 360 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission, it has been regularly driven and recently received a rebuilt transmission, rebuilt carburetor, and new fuel pump. Although it needs attention to steering, alignment, and 4-wheel drive components, it remains roadworthy and dependable. It is an ideal project that can be enjoyed while being improved. Number 10. 1964 Ford F100 stepside, $9,000, Beebe, Arkansas. This 1964 Ford F100 stepside combines classic looks with serious performance upgrades. It is powered by a 429 cubic inch engine from a 1970 Thunderbird, paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear axle. The truck has been in storage but was running when parked. With its bold engine swap and timeless design, it is an excellent platform for a hot rod or rest-a-mod build. Number 11. 1959 Ford F100 Factory 4-Wheel Drive, 18,000, Casa Grande, Arizona. This 1959 Ford F100 Factory 4-Wheel Drive is a rare and highly collectible classic truck. It is equipped with the original 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, representing early factory 4-wheel drive engineering. With 5 new wheels and tires and a clean title, it offers strong historical significance and collector appeal. This truck is an outstanding choice for enthusiasts seeking rarity and originality.